Big one. Get out of there. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about right here. This ain't no baby.
Not fishing out of the big boat today. We are switching it up. We're going to a little place I hadn't been since I was in high school, really. And we're taking Slayer Max. Walt's gonna go in the Titan 10.5 and we're gonna roll out. It may be a little tricky. I don't know, we're gonna have to see when we get there. Like I said, I hadn't been there since I was in high school. Kind of went and scoped it out yesterday. Got a frog, a couple wacky worms, and Texas rig. A man can bring a lot more than that though. Every time I go kayak fishing, I just shove everything I own and it never works out.
First one. Ha! Look at that little fatso. My gosh, he's like probably 12 inches long, but look how fat. My gosh. Little chuckso. Got him on a little Berkeley pit ball. I've been throwing a frog and I hadn't got bit, so I just kind of switched up to a little creature bait. Healthy. There he is. Another one, a little bit better one right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, now we're on something. Now we're on to something. God, I mean, this fish are just, you know, we're back here in this native kayak. I mean, in this little, basically a creek. And, you know, these fish are just healthy. You can tell they've never been caught before, which is awesome. You know, from just how many places I go and fish, and you know, they get so pressured, and these little fish have never seen a bait. It's pretty awesome. Just said, fixing to get bit on a frog. I like that little place where we're catching them back there. Hey, baby. No, she's at home. I got one. Oh. Yeah. Little chunk. Every time I talk to my wife on the phone, it's like game over. You're gonna be on the GoPro. You're gonna be on the film because I've done hook 2 while I'm on the phone with you.
No!
What? Oh man. There he is. Got your butt. Mm-hmm. Look at that one. Got your butt, finally. Man, I had to swap to a wacky rig to hook them. I just cannot hook them on a bait caster right now. I don't know why, but I cannot. There was another one that just followed me out right there. So there's obviously some fish right here in the middle of this little creek right here. So let him go so we can't get another one. Golly, man, finally. Oh no!
God, Jay.
No! Oh. Oh, it came off. Another one. In this little creek. It's not as big as the last one, but I thought I felt a little bluegill bite right there. They're right in this little, we've had some rain, and there's like a little creek coming in back here. Just had several bites in this little pocket. Well, we can take out, regroup, and maybe go somewhere this afternoon. We are making a change. It's 3:40, and we're going to a little spot I have not been since probably a couple years. We used to go there like right after, during college, and jerk on some frogfish. It's just like a milfoil pond. So you got to get a paddle. We're going to back this sucker in, and we're just gonna have to push our way out. It's a juicy looking spot. We may not get a bite here. Who knows? But it's juicy, I'm telling you. Just smoke me in the face. I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest with you. I just fake it. Every now and then it works out for me. It's crystal clear right here too. You can see how clear it is. That natural spring. The absolute muck. Straight Amazon. Good cast. Great cast. Oh, it's a good one. Oh yeah. God, he just sucked it in. He's pulling me out here. Oh yeah. There we go. God, he just came up and went and just sucked it in. Big one. Get out of there. Oh yeah. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about right here. This ain't no baby. This is no baby right here. Come on over there. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, got tangled up. Oh, he swallowed it. Yes, sir. That is what I am talking about, boys. Dang, look at the gut on that thing. He swallowed a softball. Dude, that's like a 5-pounder. If it ain't a 5, it's close. Look how he ate that. Look at that fish, man. That's a gorgeous fish. Dude, out of nowhere, he just sucked it in. Oh, dude, that's awesome, man. I mean, we're out here. This is a place I used to fish a long time ago. You know, it's been years since I've been here, but you only can access this place by kayak. You cannot put a boat in here. And man, it paid off coming out here and paddling around in the native, and man, that's what it's all about. So on my frog setup, what I was fishing today, I like a Revo Premier like this, a 7-3-1. I throw 50 or 65 pound braid. This is X9. It's a really great braid from Berkeley, and a 7.3 or 7.6 heavy rod. This is a Fanatista Premier rod, but anything that's 7.3 heavy is perfect. And when you're working this bait, you know, when you throw it out there on a mat, you can do a couple different ways to work it, but I just like to have little quick, short pauses. I mean, that seems to do the damage most of the time, just those quick, you know, real quick like that. And that's how I catch a lot of my frogfish. Oh, he's got me watered up. He just came over and sucked it in too. Another old salad bass. Look at that salad. I love getting in that salad. Y'all seen an episode of Just Fishing of me doing this exact same thing. It's because I love it. I absolutely love it. I don't care if they're 2 pounds or 10 pounds. I cannot get enough of it. God, he crushed it. They are smoking it when they eat it. Good. Number 1 in the old pond. Stuck him. Uh-oh, here we go. Come on. Oh yes, what a blow up. I seen him swimming towards it. Dude, that was nasty. All right guys, just wrapping it up. It's been a really fun day. We've been out in the native kayaks today and went to 2 different places. Made a change at about 2 o'clock. We came out here and fished the slop. That right there is what I love fishing. Grass, throwing a frog. It's kind of just what I love to do. And came out here, hadn't been up here in a couple years, and you know, caught some on a frog. So all in all, man, great day. Hope y'all enjoyed this episode of Just Fishing. You know, we just had a good time out here, and you know, I'll be looking forward to the next one.